Hey guys, Abby here. Just wanted to get a video out today, and the main topic is going to be about PLR, private label rights. In the last video, I talked about how you could get your business started for under 50 bucks by getting, a domain name, hosting, and then getting a funnel builder, which is something like System.io. And this is my resource guide that I gave away to you guys last week or whatever. There'll be a link in the description. You can get access to this totally free. You can access the Google spreadsheet. And I basically have all the tools and resources I use to build businesses listed right here. Now, the ones I'm going to actually be talking about. So in the last video, I did talk about like, hey, domain names, get them at Namecheap, get hosting at Namecheap. It just makes it really simple to keep it all on one platform. And then basically creating funnels with System.io. And that's what I do. And I'm going to actually show you an example of how I've used PLR products. So private label rights is just basically you have the right to use digital products and give them away under your own brand. That's what that means. And to me, it's one of the easiest ways to get started in business. Is a lot of people don't have like products or services or things that they can give away. You can actually go to a PLR website and get access to thousands of these products where then you can take them and give them away in order to get like someone's email. So you would ask for their email in exchange to give them an ebook or a checklist or some sort of benefit that would help them is kind of how that works. So if you want full access to this sheet, you can click the link below. And then I'm going to actually show you this site right over here. It's called IDPLR. It's one of the ones that I've actually have access to, and I've used it for years. It's a ClickBank product. So it is very, they update with all of their stuff every single month. They throw a couple new products up there. So like, I just want to show you like, as an example, the latest products on here. If you click latest products, these are new ones that they've just added. So if this is your niche, this could maybe be something that you could use. Living a long life. If you're in the health and wellness and natural living, maybe this would be a product that you could use. What this allows you to do is actually take this ebook and give it away as if it was your own. And then you collect emails doing that. And you would use something like System.io to collect those leads. It doesn't matter what niche you're in. So like, let's just go show an example right here of, let's do weight loss and then see what comes up. There'll be a ton of different products. And so, okay, we've got intermittent fasting formula. This is basically an ebook that you can sell, or that usually all of these products come with some sort of lead, like I guess they're called more like a tripwire, where you're giving something away free, like maybe a report or a checklist. You collect the email and then you can send them to this intermittent fasting ebook, where maybe you sell it to them for $7. And then there is an upgrade that comes with this, which is a video course that maybe you sell for $27. That is kind of how PLR works. They have carb cycling for weight loss, bulletproof keto diet. Like, these are all products that you can sell and give away under your own brand. So I'm going to show you an example of one I did with this. This is the carb cycling for weight loss. So here is a blog that I put up. So I said in the last video you get a domain. So I went and I bought carb cycling for weight loss.info. I bought that domain. Oops. I actually accidentally just clicked on one of the ads. Did not mean to do that. So it actually clicked away because I accidentally clicked on one of the ads that I have running on here. And then, so this is basically just a blog that I have up. I said, get a domain. I said to host it, I usually put WordPress, which that's what this is a WordPress blog. And then once I have that blog up, then I can actually, what I can do is I can put articles, which these are AI articles. I did not write these articles that are on this site. But then I can also sell products. So guess what product I'm selling? When there's a banner, people click the product, boom. This is carb cycling for weight loss, which is this product right here. That is selling carb cycling for weight loss. So they can watch this video. Yes, I want to transform my life now. Boom, they can come read about it. This is a page that was given to me with this PLR. So I did not design this. I did not come up with any of these products. I did not do any of that for this product. When I bought, IDPLR, when I bought access to this, which you can see, I'm pretty sure you guys, it is only, so if we go back here, I think it's $80 for lifetime access to this. It's super cheap. And there'll be a link, obviously, below because it is a ClickBank product. But if you go and you say register for free, you can actually create a free account. But they have a free membership and then a gold membership. But you get a lot less of these products if you're on the free version. But yeah, so right here, for $79, you get lifetime access. And you'll get access to all the products that are on here, plus any future releases that they have. So it makes it a really good deal. So I've had the lifetime access for years now, and every month when they come in here and they load new products, my company, my brand is a social media company. So anytime a new social media PLR is released, I go and I grab it and I release it under my social media company. So obviously the example I'm showing you guys is for the carb cycling for weight loss. So I bought this domain, set up a blog, threw up a few articles, and then I have buttons that will link over to this product and this website that IDPLR gave me. So I literally just loaded this to my server and boom, I have a new website. And that was provided when I bought to get access to this. Now what's cool is any of the sales or leads I get off of this come to me. Like that's 100% profit because I already bought rights to this and I am allowed to do that. So that is that's how this works. And I will probably do a more concentrated, like, here's over my shoulder how, okay, I buy a domain, I get hosting, I install WordPress, I, load it and put some articles on it, make it look cute. And then I go and I download my PLR from over here. I download it from here and then I show you guys how to upload it so that you have a page on your website that you can sell this product off of. Now, what's cool is like, yes, I have carb cycling for weight loss, but there's no reason I can't go into the IDPLR and type in the weight loss again. And then maybe next time I do like a whole category talking about keto or intermittent fasting. That's actually a really good one, and that actually does interest me. I could have a bunch of articles written on intermittent fasting and have a category and then link to this product and sell it. That is how PLR works. And the branding is the website. Like, no one has to know that I bought rights to this. So that's kind of how that works. And like I said, I use Namecheap for buying domains and getting my hosting. I install a WordPress blog, something similar to this. I throw up a few articles, and then I put my product on the website where if people are reading the article and they say, oh, I want to see the secrets to, carb cycling, let me go check out this ebook. When they click on this, here's the sales page. That is how this works. And that is really all you do. And then obviously the step that you want to have is you want to create some sort of funnel. So this comes with plenty of, we'll just say, test, and you actually just want to build an audience and collect leads. So you would do something like this, and then you would open this up. You can do this completely free, and you could use any one of these templates to sell something. So maybe like you can preview this template right here. You can go, and it doesn't have to be this complex. I actually probably would not use something this complex if I was trying to build a landing page, I would do something very simple that only looked something like this. And then I would probably only use this part of it. I would delete all of this. I would delete all of these. I don't need any of that because the only thing I am trying to do is I would probably have a picture of whatever the lead magnet is, whatever the free checklist or resource or the ebook I'm giving away for free. It would literally just say, like, get this free ebook, give me your email, and boom, get the book. That is how I would set that up for something like that. It would be very simple. Once I got them on an email list, then I'm probably going to send them out an email that says, hey, go check out our blog. We have many resources for intermittent fasting, carb cycling, best fasting and fat burn. You know, you can write about whatever you want and then find private label right products that you can simply put on here to sell. That is a very basic and easy way to launch a business. So if you are excited about health and wellness, maybe that's the category you go into, and those are the products that you download and that you use. So I think I just hit an ad again. I did. Sorry about that. I hit an ad. But then you set this up and boom. And I think this even plays a video. Yeah. So I even have a video hooked up to this landing page that is going to be the sales letter for this site. So let's look at a couple other, like I said, you know, you can look at the latest products on this. So if you are into motivation or things like that, actually, let's type that in. Maybe motivation. Let's go see what pulls up for this. So yeah, the discipline thing did. So like the savvy entrepreneur, overcoming obstacles, healthy boundaries, motivational power. Like all of these are types of products that you would have access to with the lifetime membership of this. And then anytime they add anything new, you also can have access to those. And each one of these products, most of them come with a pre-designed landing page that you can simply just load to a server, change out your obviously payment code, and then put in your, you know, so that you can collect emails off of it. But you can sell right from that page and all the money goes directly to you. So that's, I mean, it's so simple to start with PLR because there's things out there that allow you to resell them and to give them away. And that's where, like, if you're a beginner and you at least know your niche and you have your domain name and you want to set up a blog, you could just get a couple articles up and then go look for a PLR product that would be something right in line with what you're doing and what your business is about. Put that on your website, and that can be what you're giving away to start collecting emails. And then obviously, you'd have to get traffic. You can share your blog posts to Facebook. You can create YouTube videos. You can, once you start getting an email list, you will have people to email to get traffic to the new offers or the new products that you have available on the site. So, like, it all kind of works in synergy. And like I said, if you want to access my full spreadsheet, you can just click the link below and it'll be free access to this. And like I said, I've got, you know, where to register domains, hosting, getting a System.io. This is the free funnel that I give away. If you guys get a System.io account, if you click this button right here, this will automatically import my funnel into your account. And then I actually will have a video up here pretty soon on how to switch this all out and customize it to you. So it's pretty cool. But if you guys would, please like the video if you liked it. Only if you liked it. If not, don't give me a dislike. Just ignore it, I guess. But I would like to invite everybody. I do free trainings on Wednesdays at 1 p.m. right here. So obviously, if you access this spreadsheet right here, you can click this button right here. It'll send you the Facebook group. You can request access. It's a private group, and it's where I do teaching and training. And basically, we're just a group of people that help one another, kind of build out businesses, help answer questions, things like that. If you'd like to join, please feel free. Just make sure you answer the questions when requesting access so that I, make sure that you're a real person before I approve it or whatever. And then, of course, you can click the link and access this spreadsheet. And then I will have a link to the ID PLR if you guys want to check that out. You can just get a free account if you want, but you'll be limited on what you're allowed to download. But I do have some videos actually in the private group, and on Wednesdays I show people how to connect all this and actually get these up onto a website in like more detail. And I may do some sort of like PLR boot camp where I over the shoulder I just will sit there and install and completely set one of these up so that people can see how to do it. Um, but it really does make life easier if you don't already have a product or something to give away. It's a lot easier to use PLR. And so I'll keep adding more PLR resources to this page. This is going to be like an evergreen type thing. So once you get access to this spreadsheet, you might just want to come up here and bookmark it so that you can check back, as you know, because I'll be constantly updating it. But with that, I hope that kind of helps. You can get a business started under $50. That's what I talked about last time. And then this is just kind of an overview of the pieces that you could put together using PLR to get something up and going. So I hope that helped. Let me know, leave your questions in the comments below, and then we will see you guys on the next video.